everyone, welcome to LOPO's channel. Here is Daisy again. It's glad to see you again in today's video. Today, I will talk about the canvas wine tote bag, which is convenient for you to bring red wine outside. When you put red wine in this bag, it's better for you to give it to your family or friends as a monumental gift. Okay, let's go for the design part. You must still have a template before you start design. For the template, I usually make it 3 mm wider than its actual size for easier printing, except for the upper part. Next, based on this template, let's talk about what kind of design is suitable for it. As you can see, the templates are really simple, which means it fits to all types of design. Here are some tips I would like to share with you. First, as you can see, the upper part of this product is not included in the template, so we do not suggest you do a full color-based design. Second, we do not suggest you put the important content too close to the edge, because it may be lost when you print it. Okay, that's all for today's video. This is Daisy from LOPO, and hope today's video is helpful for you. If you have any questions like templates, designs, and contents, please feel free to contact our sales or leave your message at below or subscribe our channel. You will always get reply from us. Join us. Let's make life memorable.